Hi, hello again. Tonight it's a Christmas night, plus it's a night of Hanukkah, another candle of Hanukkah. So happy holidays, happy Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah. And tonight, again, we're gonna continue with Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection. My name is Yuri or Uri, and we are already on the song number 21. This is the book that I collected together while traveling the world, and the songs are all about to sing by the fire or to sing with friends or to make harmony, peace, and all over the world. And we want peace everywhere: peace in Ukraine, peace in Middle East, peace in Africa, peace all over the world. And here we go. Today is the song number 21 called "By the Rivers of Babylon." Of course, you might know the song, and so the song, the words for the song and the chords, I'm gonna put it in the comment section. So please go to the comment section. If you like, comment something for this video. You can express yourself. You can say whatever you like. If you like it, you don't like it, you can even say something about what can be improved for the next one, what you want to learn next thing. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. And that would help me to bring more songs and books to the world. Plus, I'm gonna put link down in the comment section for the book. If you want to get this Rainbow Caravan Songbook collection, it would help me a lot to get more. And well, if you don't want to get the book, you can just see the words and lyrics down here in the comment section. I'm gonna put it too, so you can see it from there. Always donations and everything else welcome your input, and please share the song, share and sing. More you sing, more harmony we create and beauty in the world. I'm gonna use ukulele for this time. This is gonna be G, C, G, D, G. I'm sure you know this song. And especially now, this is the Christmas night. The song is very belongs to this time because this is the winter. It's like to being stuck in a Babylon in the winter where you cannot do much. And by the rivers of Babylon, we're sitting down and we're singing because we remember Zion. Zion is the Lion of Judah. Leo is the summer, the sun, when the sun gonna return. And today the sun was born. So here we go. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and everywhere, when we remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we were, when we remember Zion. For the wicked they carry us away in captivity, required of us a song. How can we sing our song in a strange land? For wicked carried us away in captivity, required of us a song. How can we sing our song in a strange land? So let the words of our mouths and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable within thy sight, I and I. So let the words of our mouths and meditation of our hearts be acceptable sight, I and I, by the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we were, when we remember Zion. For the wicked carried us away in captivity, require of us a song. How can we sing our song in a strange land? So let the words of our mouths and meditation of our hearts be acceptable within thy sight, I and I. So let the words of our mouths and meditation of our hearts be acceptable within thy sight, I and I. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we were, when we remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we were, when we remember Zion. Enjoy, and please share this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, stay strong, and share your love, share your energy, beautiful energy, smile to everyone, share peace. We need peace in this world and harmony. Enough of war, enough of pollution, enough of bullshit. We want real love, real peace, and unity, harmony and unity together. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you here again next time. Rainbow Caravan Songbook Collection #1.